exotic time. Milk and honey crew, we ready to climb. Supercars zooming, deals on the grind. Land flipping, dreams and visions combined. Drew and Peter, hosts with the flair. No sales pitch, just knowledge to share. Tacos for lunch, flavoring the air. Hiking with Drew, fresh vibes, no compare. Supercars and land, we breaking the mold. Milk and honey, fam stories untold. Network and vibe in this high octane ride. Rev your engines, let's glide. It began in 22, Lakeside Retreat. Drew, AJ, Jaren made the beat. Broke deals, deep bonds, we found a crew. Community strong, connections grew. Entrepreneurs road, never walk alone. Found my tribe, now we in the zone. Weekly calls, best friends, mentors for life. Land deals to bonds, cutting through the stripes. Supercars and land, we breaking the mold. Milk and honey, fam stories untold. Network and vibe in this high octane ride. Rev your engines, let's glide. Adrenaline rush in the driver's seat. Coffee breaks, networking on repeat. Ice chest, beers, laughter in the mix. Sexy saxophone, pure melodic fit. Community strong, bonds we weave. Land deals to friendships we achieve. Invested in hearts, the returns are high. 15x growth, we touch the sky. Supercars and land, we breaking the mold. Milk and honey, fam stories untold. Network and vibe in this high octane ride. Rev your engines, let's glide. Here's to the journey, the paths we pave. From land deals to dreams, the ways we brave. With Drew and Peter, heights we soar. Supercars and land we roar. Milk and honey, this anthem strong. Entrepreneurial spirit, lifelong. Rev up your engines, let's drive this course. Together